Hey guys, so today I have some pony mail that I'm going to pull out of this box here. So we've got a show stable with a lot of yellowing and a cool little, unfortunately damaged strawberry shortcake vintage sticker. How cute is that with custard? Some accessories here. Got a bed and a lot of papers. We got a door for the back here. And another door. For the big stuff. Now we have a bag of goodies. Let's see if I can get that box out of my way. It's big. Oh, so we have Sunlight. We have Blossom. And Bow Tie. Oh, her face is Yowcha. She's got some age spots and things. And cotton candy. And lots of accessories. So we've got our fence posts. And some of the feeding troughs. Looks like we've got the little saddle and bridle. We've got our flagpoles. Which actually are in pretty good shape. And looks like we've got our first, second, and third ribbons. And our jump. One of them. Still need the A-frame for this set. A comb. 3 of the trophies. And we've got the brush that's missing the handle. And this is also broken, but I have another one of those somewhere. And, oh, poor cat. Looks like something happened to... He had some thinner vinyl back here. His behind is blown. Uh-oh. Well, that's it for this set, guys. So I'm gonna get to sun fading and cleaning these guys up and making them look like new again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!